Metals traded sideways throughout the day. We have seen a little bullishness and a breakout in silver, but it has erased all the gains, while gold has been seen struggling at 2720 levels here. What to expect now from the gold and silver with the US session? And before that, we have the PPI data to be released. That may also bring a little volatility here in the metal prices. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till on the hourly charts, gold has been seen trading with the support at the 20 period moving average. Very, very important for gold to trade now below 2700 levels. That is the level below which you can expect slight bearishness. As I have mentioned earlier in the day, 2695, 27 is the zone where we need to exercise extra caution, because once it trades below this, we can expect slight bearishness to prevail. If you connect the dots here, what's happening? Drop, retracement. Now, if you connect it like this, you will find where are the lows here towards 2690, 2684 zone. Possibility exists that it may try to create a flag like this, and at any point of time, if gold trades below 2674, that is the point of time you can say the bears are back and you can look forward to a drop. Right now, I can see a bit of support coming in on the downside for gold here. Now, see here also on the early charts, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, and let it break now. In fact, below 2704, you can take a sell for 2700, 2695 and lower levels. Let's have a further look. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has been trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also trading with moderate bearish path. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, see this couple of times it has attempted to trade below 20 period moving average, and now again it has tried to do the same but failing to do so. It is just consolidating in a narrow zone. Second point to note here is the reversal sign here, and this is the first candle. So possibility exists that we may see a second candle coming in and specifically trading below 2704, that is the 20 period moving average, and then 2700 levels. Certainly more bearishness might prevail here. The stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness, and see this crossover has appeared after the third attempt. So whenever you see three attempts like this, it increases the chances of further down move here, because see, we have seen good enough retracement and now it is looking downward. So possibility exists that a slight dip cannot be denied from the current levels. RSI also coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, one point here to note that a complete movement is engulfed between this candle here, and since then a retracement and first red candle. Now let it trade below 2704, and then the most important one is at 2700, 2695. That will be the only confirmation that the bears are back and you can look forward to a drop or a correction here. Right now it is trading sideways. Right now the bears are absent, anyways the bulls are also absent. That is what you can confirm, and a move above 2720, 2722 is what you should wait for it to confirm the further. Stochastic here has dropped, MACD has just crossed over, and this crossover is coming at a little higher level, so a possibility exists that it can continue to do so, though it is not necessary. Couple of bullish candles and it will fly off again. RSI has dropped, coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart. Similar observation, lower highs here, lower lows here, and this suggests a slight consolidation, bullishness only about 2720, 2722 zone, and then 2726. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to 2733, 35 and 2740 levels as the next targets here. While on the downside, see right now we are observing higher lows, so once it breaks below these lows, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Chances will increase that we may see 2695, 2690 levels here. Stochastic has dropped here, MACD convergent here, not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened yesterday? See, three bullish candles are done, and you can notice that the preceding candle closed at the top, and today it has started with slightly higher levels. Now this is what we had seen yesterday also. It has started at a higher levels, dropped a bit and then bounced back. Now you can see the same pattern replicating here. Higher lows are done, and now once it trades about 26 7 2022 and then 26, you can expect 33 35 or 2740 levels here. Till 2750, I will say we have to remain extremely cautious here with the buys in gold. See this, this was the greatest resistance, and this is the zone which is going to provide a greater resistance again. Third thing here is the Bollinger Bands, which is narrowed here. So the moves which are going to be here, which are definitely are going to be uh, extremes here, because see, it is at the top of the Bollinger Bands and now it is putting pressure on the bands to expand, which is narrowed significantly. Now look at the stock ISIC. This is overbought. The MACD is still rising after the crossover, and the RSI is comfortable. So looking before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy if you see gold staying above 2714, but then it is going to be riskier as long as 2022 is not taken. In fact, beyond 2714, this time 271820 you should be mindful of. If it breaks 271820, which is the first target zone, you can expect 272426. And if that is taken, is stay bullish for 273335, 2740 and 2750 levels as the next target. Beyond 2750, sky is the limit. You can look forward to a greater move towards 2764, 65, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2704, where you can expect 2700, 2695, 2690 as the next targets here. Below 2690 is where the bearishness will prevail. We can look forward to 2684, 2674, and then 2660 levels should be achieved here. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at the movement in silver, see, it has achieved slightly higher highs. It has moved towards 32, 35 levels here. And if you look at the movement, divide this into two, it is identically symmetrical. What preceded this was a good rise here. What could follow is a good drop, but very, very important for silver to trade first below 3170-80 zone and then below 3150 levels. If these two levels are taken, then only you can consider that silver is turning bearish, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Look at this, it is trading in this channel. In fact, if you see the higher price below 3180, you can take a selling entry here. Expect it to move towards 3160, 3150 levels here, which is going to be a very, very good support. So I will say 3160, 3140 levels here. This is going to be the maximum support zone for silver for the day. Stock ISIC has dropped to an oversold zone. MACD crossing over for sell. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. What has happened here? Hitting the highs, a single reversal candle has appeared and it has come down towards the support zone here. So now it is very, very important for silver to trade below 3180, 3160 and then 3140. If these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to a move towards 31, chances for which appears to be less. If you look at the movement, if you trace the movement for silver, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now after this retracement, it is given a breakout, but again trying to erase the gain. So till 3160, 3140 zone is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish. The stock ISIC has dropped here. The MACD again crossing over for sell. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, prices have come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average. At this zone, certainly you have to be watchful, cautious, because see, 3180 levels have proven out to be a good support so far since last few sessions, and thus let it break below 3180, 3160 and 3140 zone. The stock is still looking down. MACD crossed over, trading with bearishness. RSI has dropped here. On the 4 hour, the observation is same. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish, looking upwards. Higher highs and higher lows are seen here. And yes, 3180 should be a very, very good support here. Let it break below this, then you can confirm the bearishness. Else right now I can see slight bullishness here. On the upside, breaking beyond 3210, again you can buy, but then 3225, 3250 is the next target level. Beyond this, 3285, 33 should be seen. Stock ISIC has dropped. MACD again crossing over here for sell, trading with moderate divergence, moderate bearishness. The RSI is also almost trading flat. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily chart. See, preceding two candles are in green. Higher highs are done for the day. It is trying to erase some of the gains. And see, if you look at the preceding candle, lower lows means now it can in fact show you a swing here. But I will say, because the preceding candle closed in green, chances of it closing in green today also are very, very high here. So as long as now 3150-40 zone is not taken, we have to be careful here with the sells here, below which only you can expect more bearishness towards 3120 and 31, chances for which appears to be less though. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is flat at top. The MACD is rising. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple, I will recommend you to buy here at 3210 levels, expect 3225, 3240, 50 levels as the next targets, and if it stays above 3250, stay bullish for 3285, $33 levels. On the downside, you can take a sell when you see the higher prices below 3180. You can expect 3160, 3140, and 3160, 3140 is a critical support zone. Only and only if silver is seen trading below 3140, you can expect more bearishness to be seen there. Take your trades accordingly. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.